Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the lock screen and wallpaper, then go to the wallpaper. You can select one of these pre-installed wallpapers, or you can just set up any other image that you can download from the internet, or to just select some photo that you took yourself from the gallery by going here. Here you can select a photo, so let's pick this one. Here you can select if you want to have scrollable lock screen or just like ordinary one, still. I want the still one. Here you can see how it will look like on home screen, on lock screen, and on both screens. Here you can select where you want to set it, on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And then you tap here to confirm it. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.